Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we show you something in the sign and graphics industry in 2 minutes or less. And today we're going to show you why you need to be more careful installing matte, whether that's print or lam, compared to gloss. So put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. There's 4 main reasons you need to be more careful with a matte, whether that's print or color change material, compared to a gloss one. The first one, it's way more likely to show any blemishes that are in the material. So I didn't clean the hood very well before we put this vinyl on, and you can see all these little dirt spots, whether that's dirt or dust, or even if it's just actual dents and dings in the hood. It's way more obvious on matte than it's gonna be on gloss. The second reason, matte is much more easy to scratch compared to a gloss material, or it's way more obvious once it gets installed. So I have a regular Teflon squeegee here. If I was just squeegeeing away here, if you came and looked, you could see all those swirl marks that I just did on the squeegee, even though I'm just using a traditional Teflon squeegee here. So those are the first 2 reasons you need to be more careful. The third reason is you have to be much more careful about how much heat you apply. If you put too much heat on a matte material, you can actually start to gloss it out or give it a totally different finish than the rest of the material. So if you put too much heat, or if you put too much stretch on the material, it'll be way more obvious on the finished product than it would be on a satin or gloss. Those are gonna do the same thing for sure, but matte just is gonna show it way more obvious, and it's gonna be easier to do on a matte material than a gloss or a satin. So obviously we gave this a lot of heat here. If you came over here, you can actually see where there's a gloss spot on the actual material. You can actually see where the gloss material is right there. And if you came back close enough, there's actually a totally different color right along this line compared to this line and up from where I heated it way too much or overstretched it, one or the other. The fourth reason, matte is more likely to show glue lines. So if you do overstretch the material, this is a little hard to see on the inside, but you can see the exact line from where we stretched it, where the glue kind of melted and went down. Or maybe if we were to pop this back up and then push it back down again, you could kind of see where we originally popped it up right along this line here, and it's gonna leave those lines. They're gonna be way more obvious on a matte than any other finish. And that is why you need to be more careful and take your time when you're using matte material compared to any other finish. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to help you. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.